Did you shishi in the toilet?
Yep. I did it.
Does Mommy need to go look at it?
Yep.
It's in there?
Yep.
Are you just saying that?
Yep. Because I flashed it. Now it fell down.
So it's not there anymore?
Yeah.
But you did shishi?
Look, and the lion eat it. And the lion eat it. And the lion eat it.
So Joey, where is the shishi?
He's gone. It's gone.
If I don't see the shishi, I can't give you fruit roll-up.
How fruit roll up?
Where's the shishi then?
It's gone.
Where is it?
Because I flushed the toilet and now lion eat it. I'll be right back. Okay? Where?
Joey, you can't have the fruit roll-up if you didn't shishi in the toilet.
Yes, I did it.
Where is it?
Huh?
Where is the shishi?